In the East Bay, the family of a man who was shot and killed by a Danville police officer more than 6 years ago continue to protest his early release. Today, they rallied in front of Contra Costa County Superior Court, and ABC 7 News reporter Ansar Hassan was there.
Activists rallied in front of the Contra Costa County Superior Court, concerned about a convicted cop allegedly seeking early release from parole after being released from prison earlier this year.
Oh, it's very upsetting, very upsetting. But it's just constant. We came here for court and they said, oh, something about the paperwork. And so we're coming back here August 7 again. So our system is broken.
Jennifer Leong is the sister of Vladimir Arboleda. She says her brother was fatally shot by Danville police during a mental health breakdown in 2018. Officer Andrew Hall was convicted and sentenced to 6 years in prison. The family says Hall was supposed to spend at least 85% of his sentence behind bars, but Hall was released in March after roughly 3 years. Hall was in court on Thursday to petition for early release from parole.
The objection, I mean, he's going to have freedom. We won't, like I said, I feel like he's a danger to the community.
Hall's attorney did not respond to a request for an interview, but in an email to ABC 7 News, the Contra Costa County District Attorney's Office writes, Hall is eligible for relief under the Penal Code for convicted individuals who served on fire crews or a firehouse while in custody in state prison. But the court did not receive the certified proof, so it moved the hearing until August. However, community activist Robert Collins has concerns about how this case is unfolding.
We've scoured the website and spoken to the family, and that there's kind of a hidden process for how he can be released, and the public doesn't get to say much about it.
Collins' son died at the hands of Antioch police during a mental health breakdown in 2020. Collins says he and others can't find public records about Hall's parole hearing. He argues that suggests former Officer Hall is being given special treatment.
The next step, if they are successful in this, would be maybe they'd like to expunge the record and pretend it never happened.
The next court date will be August 7th. In Martinez, Ansar Hassan, ABC 7 News.